In this video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to use the text tool in a bit more detail. So the text tool is up here on your drawing toolbar. I'm going to go ahead and grab the text tool. If I click, it goes ahead and it creates a text box for me by default. So I can go ahead and I can say type in my last name. If I want to say edit this text, I can just hit escape and I can drag it around. If I go to try to change the size, notice how it changes the size of the text box, not the actual text itself. All of that happens over here in the appearance window. So the first thing you have is you have your text fill color. So you can change your fill color, pretty self-explanatory there. You have your font menu, and there are many fonts to pick from. So I can just go ahead and pick a font. You have your size. You can type in any size that you want or select the size. You have your alignment, and it's important for me to point out these are the alignment for the actual text box, not the page. The page alignment is still your align tools up here. So if I want to say align it to the page, I'd use these guys up here. Then you can go ahead and you can change your sizing. So you can have auto sizing or fixed sizing. So auto sizing is cool, where you can actually go ahead and change the size using the transform tool if you have it. So if I change the size of the box, I can actually auto size it or auto size the box around the text, which is nice. Then you have your opacity, and again, the standard stuff that we've already covered. Now, what if I wanted to, and you can rotate and whatnot, but what if I wanted to, say, type on a path? So if I were to grab my trusty pen tool and create a nice little arch here, like so. What if I wanted to go ahead and create text on the arch? Well, I grab my text tool and I hover over the arch so it turns red, and then I click on it. And now I can type on the arch. So I can just, again, change the size, do whatever I want. Like so. I could change the font. I could center it, do whatever it is that I wanted to do if I wanted to. And now these are actually joint together. So if I just double click on this, I can actually go in and I can actually edit the text again if I want to change something. I could click on my stroke and I could, or my line, I could delete the stroke here. So therefore you can't actually see the path. And now I just have this nice little curved text to work with as well.